pump something on the boat. Now you'll start seeing them with the sun just starting to shine. They'll start glowing. Oh, there's little bits of bait right on the corner of that one. Yes. I'm winning. I've got him out. Got a net. It's a good fish, this one. It's a stonker. Oh, he's going back. He's coming around the back.
Oh, he's a stonker. Oh, motor.
Yeah, that's a fish. Oh man. Look where I got him off. See all the barnacles and shit on that pontoon?
Yeah. I was just about to do the same cast where you just went, but you beat me to it.
That is an absolute cracker bream. Jeez. Cracker bream. Yeah. $33. Caught on the Eco Gear Aqua Bream prawn. I'm going to release this bream. So I'll just take that. So that's the Aqua Gear Bream prawn. They don't look like much, but geez, they catch some fish. Lovely Brimbo. Do you want to hold the hat while I release them? Just point in the right direction. Yeah. Yes! Oh, I dropped it. You've had a lot of misses today. I've had a lot of drops today. Normally don't get too many drops. You on?
Yeah, little fella.
Little bream.
Monster.
Oh, yes! Oh, come up here. Nice fish. Lovely Brimbo caught on the mud-coloured Eco Gear Aqua Bream prawn. Seem to be doing a lot of advertising for these guys today. They don't sponsor me, I can assure you. They just work. They work very well and they're very cheap. You get about 8 in a packet for about $8. And you get multiple fish off each one. They last really well. Lovely nice brimbo there. Out with Whitey today. We're in the canals at Newport. Yes. Oh, good fish, good fish, good fish. Can you take us back over that way? Yeah, backwards. Oh, gone. He got me. He got me on the barnacles on the top of that thing. Hey.